In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Planning Poker for Monday.com to run smooth, collaborative sprint estimations with your team. If you're working with tasks, user stories, backlogs, or sprint boards, Planning Poker can help your team agree on effort points quickly and transparently. I'll walk you through installation, setup, running a session, revealing votes, and saving estimates directly to your board. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com productivity tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Monday Apps Marketplace. From your Monday.com dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click on Apps. Then select Explore Apps, which opens the marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type Planning Poker. You'll see different options available depending on your region and account, but look for Planning Poker by OKR Board or another highly rated Planning Poker app. Next, click on the app you want to use, and then click Add to Account. Monday.com will ask you to approve permissions. Review them carefully, then approve so the app can access your boards and update estimates. After that, choose the workspace where you want the app installed. Once installation is complete, you can click Open App right away. If you prefer opening it from a specific board, go inside the board where you manage your tasks or sprint items. In the top right corner, click the Apps icon and then select Planning Poker from the list. This allows you to run estimation sessions directly within the context of that board. Once the app is open, you'll be asked to select the board you want to estimate. Choose the board where you manage your tasks, user stories, sprints, or backlog items. After selecting the board, choose the specific group of items you want to estimate. For example, you might select Sprint 1 tasks or your current sprint backlog. This keeps your session focused and organized. Now it's time to invite participants. Click Invite Members. Then choose the teammates who should join the estimation session. These are typically developers, product owners, scrum masters, or anyone involved in sizing the work. Once invited, they'll receive a prompt to join the Planning Poker session so everyone can participate in real time. To start estimating, select the first item or story from the list. Your teammates will see the story details in the Planning Poker panel. Give everyone a moment to review the requirements and clarify any questions. Then ask each participant to choose their estimate card. Most Planning Poker sessions use a Fibonacci-style scale, such as 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Each person selects the number that represents the effort they believe is required. When everyone has voted, click Reveal. At that moment, all selected cards become visible to the group. If everyone chose the same number, great, you've reached consensus immediately. If there's a discrepancy, especially between the lowest and highest estimates, take a few minutes to discuss the reasoning behind those choices. This discussion is where Planning Poker really adds value because it uncovers assumptions and hidden complexity. After the discussion, you can run another quick vote if needed. Once the team agrees on a final number, click Apply Estimate. The app will ask which column on your Monday.com board should store the estimate. You can choose a numbers column, an effort points column, or a story points column, depending on how your board is structured. Once selected, the value is automatically added to that item, keeping everything perfectly synced. Then click Next Item and repeat the same process. Review the story, vote, reveal, discuss if necessary, and save the estimate. Continue this workflow until all items in your selected group have been estimated. When you're finished with all stories, click End Session. All the estimates remain saved directly in your Monday.com board, so you can immediately use them for sprint planning, capacity planning, or reporting. And that's how you use Planning Poker for Monday.com to run efficient and structured estimation sessions with your team. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.